Hello world, yes, this is your favorite realtor, DC the Realtor, coming to you once again from yet another beautiful community. Today we're coming to you from Perris, California. If you don't know Perris, it's just south of the 60 freeway and just south of Moreno Valley, all right? So today we're here at this beautiful community. Let me show it to you. Okay, so like I said, yet another beautiful community. This time we are in Perris, and we're going to be looking today, folks, at one home or one model in each of the 3 different plans that this builder has, right? They have 6 models in total. We're not going to look at all 6. We're going to look at 3 in particular. And the one that we're going to direct our attention on first is this bad boy right here. Okay? Alrighty, folks, so there she is. And this bad boy it's a 3,237 square foot home, roughly, right? 5 bedrooms with an option for a 6 bedroom, 3.5 bathrooms with an option for 2 more bathrooms, all right? Going for $688 grand, okay? Starting from $688 grand. And as you know, these brand new homes, they increase in value every day. You're definitely gonna get equity when you move in here almost instantly, okay, folks? So we're gonna go in here. Don't forget, like, subscribe, comment. Let's go and look at our first model. Don't forget, this is the first of 3 we're gonna be looking at. Again, we're in Perris, California, south of the 60 freeway, south of Moreno Valley. Let's go on in here and take a look. All right, folks, so as I mentioned, we're going to be looking at one of 2 models in this particular plan, right? And again, this one is 5 bedrooms with an option for a 6 bedroom, 3.5 baths with an option for 2 more bathrooms, and 3,237 square feet. Let's go have a look, folks. Alrighty then, as we enter, you can see that this home is very well constructed, and yes, it is every bit of 3,200 square feet, folks. So to our right, as we enter, we have our staircase entering, going up to the 2nd level, which you can see already is going to be a lot to behold. So we're going to make our way first. To my left here is a guest suite. We'll feature that on our way out. But here, folks, is the open concept. $688K base price we're starting at, folks. Righty then, here is our living area, folks. And another view of the living area. And right in front of us here, we're going for the money shot, folks, of the Gourmet kitchen. What a beauty she is, all right? State-of-the-art appliances, of course. Let's get another view of that Gourmet kitchen. There she is. State-of-the-art appliances, wall ovens. That's always a huge bonus. And to our right here, we have a butler's pantry, complete with a sitting area here. Here we go. You can even walk into this bad boy. And look what we have here. More storage. Storage is always critical, right? If your family is anything like my family, folks, you need all the storage you can get. Let's continue our tour. So as you can see, yet another angle of the open concept here. And of course, there's a spacious patio, rear patio. They don't have the door open for us, folks. We'll do the best we can to capture it though. Anyways, look at that. Lots of space for entertaining. Right, they've got it staged with a barbecue grill. Nice table that can hold 6 chairs. More chairs off in the distance there. Very good space. All right, let's just swing it around, no pausing. Right here we have another area here. I would suppose you could use this for an office. And it has a countertop there, storage underneath. And let's bring our way on out. Yet another view of the, I hate to use the word gorgeous, but I like to reserve that word, but this applies. It definitely applies in this case. This is very aesthetically pleasing, folks. And let's now go for a money shot of the dining area, if we will. Here is our dining area, folks. Here is our dining area. Very spacious as well. You're fitting 6 folk at that table there very easily. Alrighty then. So I spoke of a guest suite. And guess what? To my right here is where she is. So first here we have yet more storage. We have a private restroom off to the side here, a half bath. And as we make our way out of it, to the right of it, look at this. We have a guest suite. It's almost like a next gen, except it doesn't have a private entrance. If it had a private entrance, this would qualify as a next gen, but it has its own living room area. It has its own bedroom. Right, there's a closet, and it has its own private bathroom in the interior of the unit. This will absolutely be a next gen if in fact it had, but basically this unit, this particular space is very private. You can call it a mother-in-law suite if you will. All right, and this is just the beginning, folks. Now we're going to make our way up to the second level. And you know, the flooring, the walling, right? All very aesthetically pleasing, right? And call me to inquire about the upgrade. But yes, $688 is the base price. And look at the space you're getting in this home, ladies and gentlemen. Look at the space. Base price unknown. An absolute bargain. An absolute bargain at $688. My professional opinion. As we come into this very ample loft space. To our right here is the master bedroom. We always save that for last. That is my favorite part. Yes, we're going to save that for last, but here is our ample loft. And here is another view of that ample loft. And of course, to the left of it, we have another bedroom, folks. Look what we have here. Very nice, very nice. And you'll note as they stage it, right, there's enough room for nightstands on either side of this bed. That's a queen size bed, right? Has its own closet, which makes it a bedroom, right? All right then, folks, yet another view of that ample loft I spoke of. And as we continue to our left, we have our laundry room. This one has a sink. Very important in laundry rooms to help along with the process of cleaning your linens and your whatnots. You don't always find sinks in these laundry rooms, so that is yet another perk in this home, right? That makes it well worth the asking price, folks. So again, we have another bathroom, dual sinks, cabinetry underneath, its own tub and rest area. All right, we'll make our way out of it. And to our right, we have not one, but two more bedrooms, folks. Let's take it to the left first. Here's another bedroom. And of course you see a door over here that leads, no doubt, to a closet that you actually can walk into. And as we make our way out, we're going to the left to yet another beautiful space, another bedroom. And here's another view of that bedroom with its own walk-in closet as well. Alrighty, folks, let's talk about speaking for itself. So as we make our way out, I'll remind you folks that I am DC the Realtor. My brokerage is Century 21 King and Ranch Cucamonga on Day Creek Boulevard. Alrighty, folks, now let's make our way to the master bedroom. The creme de la creme. Last but not least, here we have it, folks. Here is the master. And look at that. That is absolutely a king size bed. And those are not nightstands on either side, right? Those are like, it could be a dresser almost. The width of it, I mean. Don't ask me what they call those things. All right, but as you can see, lots of space in this master, right? And in between the bed and this dresser here, I don't know, 8 feet maybe? Look at that huge bay window you have there. Let's get another view. All right, so here I am standing next to that bay window. Let's swing it around. I want to get you the full effect. Look at that. See how much space it is between the bed here? And even have a seat, right? In front of the bed there. Very spacious, very spacious. All right, let's make our way to the master bathroom. Wow, very spacious as well. So off to the left here, we have our actual restroom. We have, also to the left here, we have a tub, separate shower, right? Spa shower. We have our dual sinks, his and hers, right? How's it going, folks? And then we have also, of course, the walk-in closet. Can't call it a walk-in closet unless I walk in it, right, folks? Look at that, we're spinning around. Very spacious is this ample closet. Ample, spacious and ample, right? Very ample is this walk-in closet. So as we make our way out, just want to remind you folks, okay, DC the Realtor is on TikTok, dc.the.realtor. I'm also on Instagram at DCW the Realtor. And of course, you're watching me now on YouTube, DC the Realtor is how you found me. Thank you very much for watching. Let's make our way out. And look, I want to give you every little detail. Look at the view from up here. All right, very good, very ample. All right, so please don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you want to see this home or any homes you see on my channel, please feel free to give me a call. I'll be happy to escort you, right? You want representation, you want to take a tour, you have questions, give me a call. That's what I'm here for folks, okay? So, one last look at the beautiful open floor concept they have here. And once again, this home is, what do we got here? We got 3,237 square feet, 5 bedrooms with an option for a 6-bedroom, 3.5 baths with an option for 2 more bathrooms, 3-car garage, folks, $688 grand. You can't beat that, as we used to say back in the day, with a baseball bat, folks. All right, and as always, as we depart, or before I depart, I'm gonna give you one last view of the exterior. Right, let's get that money shot. There she is, folks. All right, thank you for watching. I'm DC the Realtor. All right, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, so on and so forth. Okay, we got 2 more models that we need to preview. Remember, there's 6 total models, 3 different plans. Let's make our way on to the next plan. DC the Realtor signing off.